Start. Sir, the government has banned all art at organizations. Stop. In the last few days, how many of these banned organizations office bearers have been arrested? Stop. The many of Honorable Minister should tell us in his reply to the debate in this house. Stop. Kindly tell us how many offices of these organizations have been raided. Stop. What information has the Honorable Minister got in this regard? Stop. The Honorable Minister must share the details with us. Stop. Further, the Prime Minister of Pakistan, the Foreign Minister of Pakistan are openly telling something against government of India. Stop. Against the people of India. Stop. The Honorable Minister say that the government has taken a tough stand and they have been able to bring all the other countries in our favor. Stop. In the course of his reply to the discussion, the Honorable Prime Minister has said, stop. Mr. Benazir Bhutto has said that she will fight for 1,000 years. Stop. She will not be able to last 1,000 days. Stop. It is welcome. Stop. But it cannot be solved by mere speech of the Prime Minister or the Home Minister or the Foreign Minister. Stop. Today in this house we have heard what Mr. Amanullah Khan is doing in America. Stop. He has been given a visa for 5 years by the United States of America. Stop. Still we hear the foreign minister, the prime minister, the member of the Janata Dal party like Mr. Kundhu and others referring to the United States of America as a friendly country. Stop. Mr. Amanullah Khan has made a platform in America to make anti-India propaganda. Stop. It is high time government of India must take some positive steps so that Mr. Amanullah Khan can be brought back to India and he can be put to trial according to our law because he must know that India, one of the biggest democracies of the world, cannot tolerate this sort of a propaganda against her. Stop. Tolerate on issues against Pakistan. The whole nation is behind you. Stop. All political parties are with you. Stop. But at the same time, we must not give a feeling to those people. Stop. The people in Kashmir who are carrying on these activities like killing the innocent people, killing Air Force personnel, killing the BSF people, the intelligence people and the civilians, that they can go on doing such activities in that manner. Some positive steps must be taken. Stop. Whatever action has been started, that should be strengthened. Full stop.